Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. We've built a strong foundation with accounting, assets, liabilities, and equity. Today, we're moving on to a crucial financial statement, the income statement, also known as the profit and loss (P&L) statement. In simple terms, the income statement summarizes a company's financial performance over a specific period of time, such as a month, a quarter, or year. It shows whether the company made a profit or a loss during that period. Think back to our lemonade stand. The income statement would show how much money you made from selling lemonade, your revenue, and how much you spent on lemons, sugar, and cups, your expenses. The difference between these two is your profit, if your revenue is higher, or your loss, if your expenses are higher. The income statement typically follows a standard format. It starts with revenue, also called sales, then subtracts the cost of goods sold, COGS, to arrive at gross profit. Next, it subtracts operating expenses like salaries, rent, and utilities to arrive at operating income. Finally, it adjusts for other income and expenses like interest income and interest expense, and taxes to arrive at net income, also called net profit. The income statement is vital for understanding a company's profitability. It helps investors, creditors, and management assess how well the company is performing and make informed decisions. Unlike the balance sheet, which shows a snapshot at a specific point in time, the income statement shows performance over a period of time. So, to summarize, the income statement, or profit and loss statement, summarizes a company's revenues and expenses over a period of time to determine its profitability. There you have it, the income statement explained in under 90 seconds. Are you starting to see how these financial statements fit together? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy accounting lessons. What should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.